And here's what happens. Look at the 14. He just kind of gets sent. Everybody running over each other down here, and that's where the curb comes loose. Steve mentions that curb being a heavy piece of steel laying out in the middle of the racetrack.
This contact. Harvick got into the 16. Allmendinger had gotten in front of the 9 for the lead.
So that
right
was
there. There's the move where those two made contact.
Yeah, that was one lap.
Yeah.
And all of that contact all the way around the track, and it ended up being the Trilogy chicane where one of the humps came free, and so onto the racetrack, caution comes out.
And we know that Allmendinger remembers that.